So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and this is hello, a test is there, and if suppose it is in the left side, and if I want to move it to the right side using a keyboard shortcut without pressing here, there is a method, and that is you must simply press this Alt key and H key. So you must press these two keys at the same time, and after that you must simply type here A R. Now you can see that this test have been moved to the right, and suppose if you want to change it to left, again you must press this Alt key and H key, and after that you must type A L. You can see that it backs to the normal position. Oh, you said yes, if I'm already subscribed. Thank you.